What's going on, everybody? I know it's been quite a while, but we've been on hiatus, and we've been just relaxing here and there, but we have been busy as well too. So, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is the storm shelter that we built. There's the door. We have two holes there for ventilation. Plus we have, of course, the ventilation up there on the top. We did get the waterproofing on it. Does work pretty good. I haven't done the surface bonding for the inside. I started to. You can see kind of what that looks like. I just ain't had time really. And then my locks. I haven't filmed in a while, but I do have some footage of me doing all that stuff, so I can put that in there, and then once that's done, I'll show you kind of an update of what's going on in the house. Alright guys, so you want it to be about like peanut butter, and I've got the walls kind of moist, sprayed down, mist it down. I'm going to put you on this here bucket, and we will do the first part of it. I'll do that side over there first, so bear with me. 1/8 of an inch is the minimum that you want to coat it. Alright guys, I got it done. Got that side done over there. I got this side done. I decided not to do the inside of the jambs here because that would give me inconsistent measurements. So I went ahead and left that out. I think it'll be fine. I filled in the cracks here, but I think it'll be fine. I did a little bit inside. Not much. We'll do that later, but I'm going to pull some measurements and start making as a door. This door that I'm making is it is three pieces of plywood, 23/32 plywood, 3 pieces, and 2 pieces of 18 gauge cold rolled steel, and a whole bunch of nuts and bolts. So let me get that going and we will show you that. It's a new day. I got the door done. This is what it looks like. We got a layer of 18 gauge steel. We got 3 layers of plywood, another layer of 18 gauge steel, and initially it was squeezed together by 15 bolts, and then we have hinges that we drilled in through the wall here. I gotta figure out something for these ones because they fall pretty close into the deal, but I think I have the answer to that. And those bolts get drilled all the way through to the back side. See how close they come here? Come pretty close to the edge here. There's that one. I have to figure something out for that. I still have to put the locks. I'm gonna put one here and put one here, and we'll put one at the bottom. And these are the these are the guys that we've decided to use. Let me set you down so I can show you guys how it works here. So they're on a spring, so you push them in and they lock. We'll have 3 of those in there. It should work. I need to get some longer bolts from the hardware store, because we need to add a 2x4 here for where the locks go, just so that when we do have the door closed and locked, it's going to be roughly in the middle and not closer to the edge here. We want as much material between, we want as much material as possible for that lock. So I guess what I'm going to do today is try to rig up something for a drip edge above the door there, and paint it, rubberize it with that rubberized material. That way we can go get some bolts later on today, and maybe I can do some backfilling. This door, very heavy, very heavy, very heavy door. It if I was gonna guess, probably 200 pounds, somewhere around there. Heavy. So I'm gonna get some stuff out and we'll read the directions on this paint here and see what we need to do. We want to do the roof and all the sides, so we'll get that out and get that sorted. I guess we can start with down here and what's going on down here. So that is a dehumidifier. We wrapped all the exterior walls with this here 2-inch foam. We did all the rim joist on the exterior part of it all the way around. We taped it with, we put plastic down and taped all the seams And look what's going on. We got we're getting subfloors on. We did end up going ahead and framing out the closet, framing out the old hooper room. This side right here will be my wife's side, and then that little side will be my side. Of course I get the little side. What we do for our wives. Subfloor is going down. We got oh, before we leave this area, update. We are no longer having the kitchen down there. We're moving it. We're gonna move the kitchen up here. This is gonna go away. We're gonna take that down. Once I got the floor on here, I got to do a little access panel right here where there's vents at, and then once that's in, I'll cover this up, and then, you know, later on, I'm not going to do it after I get this done here, but we'll remove that, and then our kitchen will be from here as an L shape to there with an island and living room. And then down here we're still going to have a big pantry on this side, and then this side will be mud room, and I believe our front door will be right there. Anyways, going on. Laundry room, we got that done yesterday. It's all down. And then we'll be headed back this way. You can see the plastic down here. It's nice. We'll get all this done here. I still got a little bit of work to do in here and in that closet there, but I'm gonna get these floors on and get that dehumidifier going and start dehumidifying the crawl space there. But yeah, that's that's what's going on, and I've been lazy. I just haven't been wanting to film anything, so I'll stop that and I'll start filming again. That way you guys can follow along. I know our family, some of our family, that's the only way they know what's going on with us, so we'll do that. But thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and I guess I'll see you on the next video.